Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. We're starting on the daily time frame. So the Aussie dollar did turn down pretty decent, and the fact that it didn't make a break a structure to the upside is a little bit of a red flag. This may actually end up being a failed ABC correction. If it is a failed ABC correction, this possibly could go all the way down and give us this bigger break of structure to the downside. But for now, I am definitely looking at this move down as possibly a pullback to this last move up. So we do need to keep an eye on our Fibonacci levels on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because that's where the last series of higher highs, higher lows started. So we're watching our Fibonacci retracement levels. We're sitting near the 61% right now. If it breaks structure to the upside, which right now is right here, or if it goes down to the 78% and breaks structure to the upside, then I would definitely turn back to being bullish. But like I said, this may just keep on going down. So it could make a lower high, it could go down, it could make another lower high, it could go down. So we would be looking for shorts right now, unless or until we get that break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.